Easy Elite English as usual trust. We are coming with a video on how to improve your spellings. Spellings are really a very tricky part in English, and some of the spelling rules could help us make fewer mistakes in spelling. And let me tell you, if you really want to learn the spelling rules in Hindi, one very good YouTube channel by Sonam of Information Center. Information Center, that's a YouTube channel by Sonam. I'm not quite sure of the second part surname. Sonam, one of the best teachers in English. She has a very straightforward and simple way of explaining spelling rules and certain grammar parts. So if you really want in Hindi, I would advise you to go to Information Center YouTube channel and watch Sonam's videos. But here, there's totally in English, and let us see some of the spelling rules, because most of us make mistakes in spelling. Now see here, welcome. Many people would put double L, which is wrong. Houseful, again we don't need a double L. We don't need a double L here. Milk, we need only K, not C. Sick, here we need a C, CK. So, how to avoid the spelling errors? Some of the basic spelling rules are dealt with here. Now, IE versus EI. Now, note this, in all these cases we have EI. In all these cases we are having E followed by I. Ceiling, receive, conceited, deceive, perceive, always E then I. And in the second column, we are having IE, friend, believe, diesel, sieve, beige, that is a color of this slide, beige color. So, why do we have EI here and IE here? Note that in the first column, that is this column, it is always C, ceiling, C, receive, C, conceited, C, deceive, C, perceive, C. So when we have C, we are using EI. C is followed by EI. And when we have another letter like friend, where we have R, believe, L, diesel, D. When we have any other letter, we are using IE. So if you have C, then use EI. And if you have any other letter, use IE. There would, of course, be exceptions. These are the important exceptions. Feign, neighbor, protein, leisure, and weird. These are the exceptions where we are using EI, even in absence of C. But in general, whenever you get C, use EI. And whenever you get another letter, not C, any other letter, use IE. But remember the exceptions, neighbor, protein, leisure, where these are exceptions. Even without C, we are using EI, 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 EI. Spelling rule 2. When we should use K and when CK. Only K and CK at the end of the sentence. Check. These are CK words. Check, sick, tick, wick, track, dick. You can also add suck. Now, here we have only K. Cheek, seek, teak, weak, milk, drink. So here we have CK and here we have only K. Let us analyze the reason. Here we have a single vowel. Check, single vowel. Sick, I, single vowel. Tick, I, single vowel. Wick, I, single vowel. Track, single vowel, A. And here we have a double vowel. Double E, EA, double vowel. Weak, or we have a consonant. L, milk. Drink, N. So when we have a double vowel or a consonant, we are using K, milk, drink, seek, cheek. And when we have a single vowel, we are using CK, check. trick, wick, dick. That was spelling rule number 2. When you have a double vowel or a consonant like milk or drink, then we use K, and when we have a single vowel, we use CK, sick, tick, kick, track, truck. That was spelling rule. General when to use CK before after single vowels, and with double vowels or with consonants use only K. Spelling rule 3. Whether there should be an E at the end. Now, E at the end, we call it terminal E. Terminal E, the letter E coming at the end, or no E. There will be no terminal E. It depends on the pronunciation. See the pronunciation. Bad, bade. I bade him goodbye. Tap, tape. Man, main. Fat, fate. Hat, hate. So see, the pronunciation changes. When you say bad, there is no terminal E. When you say bade, there is a terminal E. When you say tap, there is no terminal E. See the sound of A. When you say tape, you have got a terminal E. Man, main. So it depends on the pronunciation whether you add a terminal E or not. And as we always say, correct pronunciation will lead to correct spellings. Spelling rule LE versus EL. Again, it depends on the pronunciation. When you say L, like bottle, settle, table, bubble, simple, then we have LE. And when you say L, label, level, gravel, intel, angel, then we have EL. So it depends actually on the pronunciation. Simple, angel. Table, intel. Bubble, gravel. Settle, level. Bottle, label. So cattle, see the pronunciation. Cattle, so LE. Kettle, again LE. Impel, EL. Expel, EL. Handle, not handle, but handle, so LE. Now here ANG, you can say angel, then EL, or angle, LE. Travel, L, so EL. Jewel, that is jewelry, jewel, so EL. Sample, not sample, it is sample, so it is LE. Cancel, L, so it is EL. People, so LE. Unravel, so it is EL. So it depends on the pronunciation. When you have cattle, kettle, settle, bubble, table, then LE. And you have angel, travel, cancel, then you have EL. That was Easy Elite Educational Trust, Easy Elite English Educational Trust. WhatsApp us or email us, because we will be coming back with more videos on English, physics, chemistry, biology, maths, and general reasoning, and also on the new education patterns of the government's new education policy, new question patterns. So follow us, subscribe to our videos, and be with us always. Thank you and goodbye.